Saturdays short in important news. A public library reopened in Maidan Wardak province. The public library of Chak district of Maidan Wardak province, which was damaged during the previous wars, was reopened. A thalassemia treatment center to be built. The foundation stone of a thalassemia treatment center worth 37 million Afghanis laid down in Herat province, says Ministry of Public Health. Supreme Leader of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan emphasized on the defense of the territorial integrity of the country. Ministry of Defense of Afghanistan says Supreme Leader of the Islamic Emirate paid a visit to 215 Azam military corps and discussed a number of important issues with the commander-in Mujahideen of the said corps. Telecommunication services launched in 2 districts of Helmand. The Afghan Wireless Communication Company has launched its services in Baghran and Nawzar districts of Helmand province. Afghan prisoners released from Karachi prison. 524 Afghan prisoners were released from Karachi prison in Pakistan by the efforts of the Afghan embassy in Islamabad. According to Foreign Ministry, 54 women and 97 children are among those released prisoners who will soon be returned to the country, and the Afghan embassy in Islamabad will pay their return expenses. Central Bank to auction 15 million US dollars. The Central Bank of Afghanistan wants to auction 15 million US dollars on the coming Sunday to keep the local currency rate stable in the market. Low quality and outdated food items collected. 1600 kg of low quality and outdated food items and medicines were collected from the shops, supermarkets and drugstores of the 7th district and transferred to a designated place for burning. Railway transportation has increased. Official of the Afghanistan Railway Authority said that 118,139 metric tons of goods have been transported through Heratan, Aqina and Torgandi ports in the last week.